Today we are talking about one small mistake that can pull back all your performance for the whole month on YouTube. Have you ever created a YouTube channel? Or maybe you are planning to create it? Or maybe you already have a YouTube channel, you uploaded 1 to 10 videos, but all of a sudden got a very discouraging feedback, a very negative feedback, and wondered why? Why? Is it the issue of my content? Is it the quality of my video which is not good maybe? All this question comes because somehow you made one small mistake in the YouTube algorithm settings. In this video, we're going to discuss tips and tricks that facilitate to avoid such kind of mistake. Watch the video to the end, since each tip we talk about is very important for faster monetization and YouTube audience community build up. Welcome to the chase. We will appreciate if you subscribe, share or like our content. Step number 1. Don't share your YouTube with your friends or family. We are always tempted to show our friends what we are doing, what we are working on, and what we are looking forward. Building a YouTube audience is a process that only requires you to trust the YouTube algorithm settings. When you are not trusting the YouTube algorithm settings, then you might confuse the algorithm and then disorient people from your YouTube channel instead of directing them to there. So please avoid confusing YouTube channel by sharing your content with your friends and family members, which could confuse and trigger the YouTube algorithm to confuse your channel audience. The problem will arise when YouTube share with them your video because you have asked them to subscribe, and then they go silent, they don't watch it. This will confuse the YouTube algorithm and the audience retention will decrease tremendously, which automatically set back your YouTube channel. And this also will have an effect on how much money you will earn on YouTube. Since they don't watch, since YouTube will be sharing with them your content that they don't watch on the full length of it, then you might earn less money than the one you're supposed to earn. Step 2. YouTube will then try to find out why people are not watching your YouTube channel while they subscribe to it. YouTube will start thinking that your content is not interesting, your images are not the right one. YouTube algorithm then will realize your personal connection wasn't the organic viewers. The algorithm will kind of pause and then reorient to find out who can watch your content, as your new audience. This algorithm pause might take some time to push again your content to the right audience, but don't be discouraged to continue, keep working, and eventually you will start seeing new audience increase, longer audience retention, and more engagement through your content. At this time, do not share or tell your friend or your family. Just trust YouTube to do so. Third, there is also a psychological effect when you share with your friends and family. Trust me, nobody wants to be embarrassed by sending a family member a video watched by one viewer or two. Some of your friends in your connection might say, you know what, the reason you're not being watched by many people is because of this, that, change this, change that, do this, and they will confuse you and sometimes discourage you. So shut your mouth and work. When things work on your favor and you start earning bucks, then you can start sharing and they will storm you with gratitude and compliments. By the way, you will not need to share. They will find you automatically on YouTube when you go viral. So to sum up, Please stop forcing your subscribers, asking people, hey, please subscribe on my channel, do this and that. Stop sharing your YouTube content with your friends. I know it's hard, and family, I know it's hard, but trust you to be algorithm, work on your content, everything will be fine. One exception, however, could be if there is someone who is a cheerleader of your content before you even start it. Then there is no problem to share with him or her, since he or she will be watching and liking your videos in an organic way. However, it's not even worry it, since your personal connection in the end might not even be 5% of the total audience you need to monetize or earn competitive bucks. Work on your YouTube thumbnail instead by searching which thumbnail worked on the other video before you post your video. Also work on your video sequence, and if it's possible, put emotions, suspensions, knowledge, fun or comedy and so on if you can. This is what people think, and no one wants to get angry or sad while watching your video. Thank you so much. Please share, subscribe and like, and be part of our community. Bye bye.